Hi, I'm Avion Williams. I'm from North Wales. I've come down especially to the Kent Cookery School for this special day with Olympus. It's all about food photography today, but I'm also interested in having a look at some new products that the Olympus people have actually brought for us to try out as well. But food photography isn't my normal genre, so it's also a bit of a challenge as well. Hopefully I'll learn a few new tricks.
Hello, I'm Graham from Farnborough. I've been a photographer for many years, and last year I switched from Canon to Olympus, and I go to any opportunity to learn how to use the camera better. It's a great opportunity not just to learn to use my camera better, but also to photograph food under the guidance of so many really good tutors.
Hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm here today at the Kent Cookery School with Olympus, trying out some of their new lenses. I'm particularly enjoying seeing Chef Alex cook and really enjoyed using the macro lens to shoot some macarons earlier on today.
Hi, I'm Lee and I'm here today at the Olympus Food Photography event, and I'm using my OMD EM5 Mark II with the 45mm lens because I love food photography and I'm having a ball. This lens hasn't been off, and I've not been off 1.2 the whole time, different angles and square crops, and what's there not to love when there's lots of food around and cameras and good people. Brilliant day.